Imagine a place where your body and soul can rejuvenate, surrounded by the beauty of nature and the warmth of a supportive community. Vegan yoga retreats, like those at Vicosa or Yoa's retreats, offer a unique blend of mindful practices and mindful eating. These retreats are designed to enhance both physical and ethical well-being, creating a holistic wellness experience. Daily yoga sessions, meditation practices, and pranayama are combined with nutritious vegan meals. Participants can reconnect with their true selves and enjoy optional activities that foster community bonding. Many retreats are located in tropical paradises like Koh Samui and Tulum, providing a serene environment for personal growth. Veganism is more than a diet, it's a lifestyle that promotes animal rights, environmental sustainability, and personal health. By choosing a vegan lifestyle, individuals contribute to alleviating animal suffering and promoting holistic wellness. Combining veganism with yoga enhances physical health, increases energy levels, and improves flexibility. Mindfulness practices in yoga retreats foster mental clarity, calmness, and spiritual development. A plant-based diet complements yoga practice by boosting energy and aiding digestion. The sense of community at these retreats is strong, with individuals supporting each other and sharing their journeys. Adventure seekers can find retreats that combine yoga with activities like hiking or surfing. Personal development programs include workshops and discussions centered around self-discovery. Family-friendly retreats offer activities for all ages, ensuring everyone benefits from yoga and plant-based eating. Specific styles like Ashtanga yoga or Yin yoga are often the focus, creating a community of like-minded individuals. A vegan yoga retreat can be a transformative experience, helping individuals reconnect with their inner selves. These retreats foster a sense of community, encourage mindfulness, and promote healthy eating. Daily activities typically include morning yoga sessions, guided meditations, and community bonding activities. Participants enjoy healthy plant-based meals that nourish the body and support holistic wellness. Accommodations range from luxury villas to eco-friendly lodges, all designed to enhance relaxation and self-reflection. Excursions and activities often include hikes, beach outings, and cultural immersions. Wellness workshops focus on meditation, pranayama, and holistic practices, offering opportunities for self-discovery. Preparing for a retreat involves packing essentials like comfortable yoga gear, eco-friendly toiletries, and a reusable water bottle. Maintaining an open mindset and engaging with the community can significantly enhance the retreat experience. Sticking to the scheduled activities ensures participants fully benefit from each planned event. Overcoming challenges requires embracing personal growth, utilizing mindfulness techniques, and seeking support. Choosing the right retreat involves considering the destination, types of yoga offered, and quality of accommodations. Top destinations like Koh Samui, Ubud, and Tulum offer unique settings that enhance personal growth and community bonding. These locations provide stunning natural beauty and serene environments for meditation and physical practice. Participants can deepen their meditation practices and savor the culinary delights of a vegan diet. Join a vegan yoga retreat and transform your wellness journey into a holistic experience of body, mind, and spirit.